I was stopped at a light and someone wasn't paying attention and railed into the back of my car. I had TBI, and then I was a little shaken up after. I actually through a friend, family friend. It's my fiance's dad, so he works in the auto body business. So he was like, "Oh, I know these people that help you." So I came here. It was awesome. It was really good. Everyone's very nice and helpful, and I feel like we got it done. We got all the things that we needed to do done. So Iris and Carol, oh, they're awesome. Yeah, I know it takes a while to do things, so I was I just asking for updates and every now and then, but they were really good. Oh, definitely. I don't think anything I would change. Everything was pretty awesome.